Hi guys, it's Sadia and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I will answer some of your questions and a lot of you wanted to make a Q&A, so here it is. So I think a month ago I posted on my community tab to for y'all to ask me some questions. So I'm gonna pick some questions from there and just answer them randomly. So firstly, I will answer some very common questions which a lot of you all have. So number one is, where do I live? So I live in Mumbai, India. And the second is about my education, basically if I'm studying or if I'm working or what am I doing exactly. So a lot of you think that I am a student, but I'm not. I have actually finished my computer engineering and right now I am working at an IT company. So yeah, I understand that my older videos are related to study, so you all might be having this impression that I am a student, but I'm not. I am working right now and I am managing two YouTube channels along with that. One is this YouTube channel and the other is Crack Concepts, where I teach computer science related concepts. So yeah, that's what I do. And yeah, okay, so those were the common questions. Let's answer some of the other questions. Okay, so okay, I should have chosen questions first. Okay, so Purple Ocean has asked me, what's your class 10th and 12th percentage? I think a lot of people have asked me that. So in 10th standard I scored 90%, so I scored 90.00, like I got exact 90%. And also I have my Naril Pani over here, okay, so don't mind that. So in 10th I scored exactly 90.00%. And I'll tell you all one thing, that I did not study because I wanted to score good or something, but I'll tell you all what happened. So when I was in 10th, I was in this classes called Mahesh Tutorials, and they had this thing that if you score more than 90%, they will take us to some event, so basically to a 5-star or 4-star hotel, and they would organize an event and they would give us trophies. So I actually wanted to just attend that event. So I just studied because I wanted to attend that event and actually get a trophy, because I never had a trophy before that. So yeah, and luckily I got exactly 90.00%. So yeah, so I could attend that event and get that trophy. And my 12th percentage, okay, so in 12th I got 89.38 percentage, and even then I got a trophy, but that trophy I did not get from college or from my classes. I got it from Shiv Sena. So basically Shiv Sena had this event, where they were giving trophies to all the students in that area who were in the top 3. So I stood 3rd in my college. So because of that I got a trophy from there as well. And also take engineering ka bhi percentage you can take. Engineering mein I had 8.88 CGPA. So yeah. And the second question is, what's your age? So my age is 23. Right now I am 23. And her third question is, who is your inspiration for YouTube? I think everyone. I don't have one particular person like I can say that, oh, this person inspired me. I think a lot of people, like all the other YouTubers I see around, and I just find it amazing how people manage time and do it. Like, I think everyone is an inspiration, everyone who chose to take this risk and get into YouTubing. So everyone. Okay, and also a lot of you have asked me which editing app I use. So right now I use iMovie. So I have an iPhone. Okay, so I purchased an iPhone only because of the camera, so that I can use the camera of iPhone, and then it also has iMovie. iMovie is an editing app in iPhone, so I use that and I edit my videos in the phone only. Y'all do not see my phone because I'm always shooting with it. And the phone you'll see in my videos, it's either my mom's or my dad's. But yeah, I have an iPhone and I use that for shooting and editing and everything. And editing app is iMovie. And earlier, before that, I used to use HitFilm Express, but it was taking a lot of time. First shoot it and then put it in the laptop and then edit it. It was taking a lot of time. So I thought I should instead buy an iPhone and do everything on my phone only. So I think that was a decent decision, and yeah. Okay, so Pragati Yadav. Okay, so her question is, where do I live? That's Mumbai. What is your favorite color, food, things, country, place in India, book, and favorite YouTuber? Okay, so my favorite color is black. I really like black, and my favorite food, biryani. My mom's biryani. Things, things. I think, I don't know. Things, anything, I don't know. Country, India. Place in India, Mumbai is like the best city in India. Once you settle in Mumbai, I don't think there's any city that you will ever like more than Mumbai. Favorite YouTuber? Okay, good question. So I can tell you all favorite YouTubers in every genre. Okay, so when it comes to comedy, I like Tanmay Bhatt. When it comes to spirituality, I like BK Shivani ma'am. Okay, so I really like her YouTube channel. It keeps me sane. It's really nice. You all should watch her videos if you all haven't already. I mean, I'm pretty sure you all will be knowing about her. So she is a spiritual guru, and her videos help me calm down so much. And when it comes to fitness, it is FitTuber. He is such a great YouTuber. He's so honest, and his opinions are like so true, and you know, he's so honest. I can blindly trust whatever he suggests. Okay, yeah. And yeah. How many members in your family? Good question. So I have we are like total 4 people. So there are like 3 other members in my family: my mom, my dad, and my brother. I have an elder brother. Who is your favorite actor, actress, movies? So okay, my favorite actor is Shah Rukh Khan. I like Shah Rukh Khan. I also liked Irfan Khan. I like Irfan Khan. I also like Nawazuddin Siddiqui. Yeah. And actresses, I don't have one specific actress as such. I like Genelia D'Souza a lot. You know, during Jaane Tu Ya Jaane Na days, I used to love her. She's so cute. And movies, I don't have one particular movie, man. Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara, or you know, these classic movies, you know, which you can watch multiple times. I like all those movies. Ruksar Khatun has asked, your aim in life. My aim in life is to be financially stable, and I want to be happy in my life. Like, I want to be genuinely happy. Yeah, so my phone died anyway. So my aim in life, right? Yeah, so I want to be genuinely happy in life. Okay, not just for, you know, Instagram that I'm happy, or just, you know, just to show people. No, I want to be genuinely happy in whatever I'm doing. So yeah, that's one. And yeah, just 3 major goals. One is to be, you know, financially stable, financially independent, and the second is to be genuinely happy in life, and third is to, you know, to surround myself with good people. Okay, I don't want any sort of bullshit in my life. Like, I want good people around my life. So yeah. And second question is, what's your qualification? My qualification is I finished computer engineering. So yeah.